everyone, so to set up the ambulance with the seatbelt restraints, you want to have 2 of these devices and then 2 other ones with the seatbelt attachment. So these 2 go at the front of the chair. So the way that you pop them in is you're lifting up this little clip here, lifting up, putting it within the grooves and then locking it in place. You want to have the hook facing towards the chair so that you can attach to it like that. So doing the same for the other one, lifting here, putting in the grooves and then clicking in place. You want to make sure that they're really sturdy. So for these 2 it's the same thing, you're just making sure the hooks are facing the inside of the chair. So I'm going to grab this one here. So lifting up, putting in the groove, clicking in place, making sure the restraints are again facing the chair, clipping it in place and locking it in. If you accidentally put it the wrong way, it won't lock in anyway, so it'll help make sure that you put it on the right side. Great, so that's those ones. So you want to just make sure the seat belts are out of the way. So when you have the wheelchair, you'll want to use these hooks to clip into the wheelchair like that. So you do all 4 sides. And then you want to grab the seat belt. So you want to put the waistband on the person first, and then if you could hold that. So it's good to make it as loose as possible so that then you can just tighten it later. So the main thing with this is that you want to make sure that it's towards the left of the person's body. That way when we put the crossbody seatbelt on, it's actually securing them correctly. So tightening it just as you would any other seatbelt. Perfect. Then the last step is to just grab this one. You can adjust the length as well. We're clipping it in to this little buckle over here. Then I'll show you how to... If you could just let go, so yeah. Okay. And then tightening it again. And there we go.